What's going on YouTube? This is Metalhead Gamer 1986. How is everybody doing? Good, I hope. I am really excited right now because today I got something in the mail. Something that I have ordered 2 days ago. It's this phone that I've been wanting ever since I laid eyes on it on YouTube, seeing the reviews on it, and now I'm going to be doing a review on it. So let's go ahead and open this. Move all this shit. Anyway, if you can see it, can't see it probably, but let's go ahead and open this because this is no ordinary phone. You can see it says Razer. I got the Razer Phone 2 from AT&T, and I am real happy about this. Oh my god, the box is amazing. Look at that. Woo! That is wicked awesome. Razer. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy here. Let's go ahead and read this real quick. Okay, the Razer phone was created for those serious about performance, whether it was kicking ass in a game or kicking back and enjoying movies in HDR. We showed the world a device that redefined the standard in mobile gaming and entertainment. Now meet the Razer Phone 2. Likely a sharply honed blade, the Razer Phone 2 refines every element of its predecessor with a new design and improved features for incredible dual experiences. A flagship phone for everyday use and a powerful gaming phone for immersive gameplay. True to Razer, we remain uncompromising to the standards we deliver. And that is true. Razer is freaking amazing. And Razer, if you are watching, I would love some of your products. And I would love to show them off. If you give me that chance to sponsor me. But anyway, our phone continues to set the bar higher for flagship smartphones with extreme performance, sleek design, and a mobile gaming experience you can't find anywhere else. And that's very true. This phone is amazing. Congratulations on your newfound mobile advantage. The Razer community is built to connect those who seek the winning edge. Be the first to get news, score Razer rewards, join exclusive giveaways, and much more, all in one place. Take the first step at razer.com/get-started. All right. And Min Liang Tan, co-founder, CEO, and creative director. So, there you have it. And the cool thing is it's very clear. Very flimsy paper, though. All right. Oh, my God. Look at that. Holy shit, man. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Wow. I'm like literally excited right now. But it is heavy. Real heavy. But the speakers, from my understanding, from what I've seen, the speaker quality is amazing. So we're going to get into that here in just a minute. But look at that. Look at it up close right here. Let's go ahead and get this open. Oh my God. Look at the shine on that back right there. Well, without all that crap. Let's get that off. Holy crap. Look at that. Now, from my understanding, this is a finger sensor, so that way You can use your thumb, really. I'm thinking about just doing it as my thumb. And the two buttons right here are your high volume, low volume. That is, I'm sorry, but that is just beautiful. The camera on it is 12 megapixels, really amazing. 64 gigs built into it with 8 gigs of RAM. That is awesome. And you can also extend your memory on this. I I decided to get a 256 gigabyte SD card on eBay because as much gameplay as I do, I need it. So expect to see more gaming on this channel on my phone. You guys are I'm gonna be so blown away by this. So, we're oh, nifty. While this is loading up, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Doesn't look like there's anything else on. Damn, that's loud. Okay. What we got here in this little box thingamajig? Oh, sweet. Comes with the thing where you can actually take out the SIM card and memory SD card. We got a pamphlet here. Nice pamphlet. Razer phone 2. What else we got in here? A Razer sticker! Hell yeah. I already know where this is going. This is going on my computer. Alright, and we got the wall adapter. Look at that. That is wicked. So beautiful, man. Alright. Now, okay, let's see here. Looks like a extra headphone, a Type-C adapter for you to use your headphones, which is really awesome. And then, of course, we got the Type-C cord to charge your phones, of course. So, oh wow, 2 Type-C. So wow, that's pretty wicked. All right, anything else is in this box? Let's do the shake test. Nope. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Loading this up. Razer agreement. Yes, I accept. And this is where screen protectors come into play. Okay, let's go ahead and skip. Okay, we are in Mountain Time because I'm in New Mexico. There we go, Mountain Standard Time. Today is July 23rd. And today, and the time is 3:45. Next. Okay. And always remember, when you guys get a phone, always have like a lock code and a fingerprint because of the fact, here's why. Mainly because of the fact that you want to make sure that your identity is not messed with, especially when you lose a phone. And always, yeah. I'm just going to use my thumb because seriously, I don't feel like. I truly don't feel like doing with one finger. So, all right. Next. Accept. No thanks. Wow. There you go, folks. That's what it looks like. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. I am literally blown away by this shit. So, well, that's all I got for you guys. Oh wait, I want to test. I want to test it out. Let's do. Let's see, all networks. Let's go ahead and connect to my my Wi-Fi at home. Okay. Now, let's go on YouTube real quick and see how the quality is on this. Let's look up my favorite band. My favorite band is Slipknot. Wow. Alright, let's see.
You're a fucking...
Wow. Big shout out to Slipknot for their latest single, Solway Firth. Real amazing. Wow. The speaker quality is just phenomenal. I like this phone. Wow. So, that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have the Razer phone too, tell me your thoughts about it. I would love to hear from you. So I shall see you guys later. And as always, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram. So, as always, rock on. Keep it nerdy. Take care, my friends. See you next time.